This presentation goes over the research that my colleagues and I conducted this spring. Our topic concerns the metamood experience and its underlying dimensions. To introduce the topic, consider the experience of mood. Mood can be experienced on both a direct and indirect reflective level. The direct experience is the mood itself, such as being happy or sad, tired or energetic. At the reflective or indirect level, individuals use their thoughts to monitor, evaluate, and at times change their mood states. This reflective level is termed the metamood experience and can be measured by the trait metamood scale. Early research extracted 3 factors from the TMMS that pertain to metamood: attention to, clarity of, and repair of mood. These factors correspond to individual differences in the ability to attend to moods, discriminate between and clarify moods, and change negative moods. Subsequent work corroborated the 3-factor structure found by Salovey and colleagues and demonstrated the reliability and validity of the TMMS. In the present study, we aim to examine the factors that underlie metamood experience. When it comes to methodology, participants provided information regarding sex, age, and ethnicity, as well as completing an online version of the Trait Metamood Scale. The Trait Metamood Scale, or TMMS, is composed of 30 items that fall into 3 distinct scales: attention, clarity, and repair. Responses to the items are rated on a Likert scale of agreement. Participants completed the demographic measures and the TMMS as part of a larger study. The measures were completed using a computer during the first of 2 testing sessions. The session took approximately 1.5 hours and was unsupervised. We then conducted a principal components analysis with multiple factors to determine the nature and number of factors that underlie the TMMS. As for the results, after we extracted the factors, we named them. Factor 1 was labeled clarity because the items with positive loadings reflected clear cognition and emotional awareness, while the negatively loading items measure the opposite. Factor 2 was labeled attention because the items implied focus on and attending to feelings and mood states. Factor 3 was labeled repair because the items reflected some form of mental resilience in the face of emotional adversity, such as feeling good after feeling bad. Factor 4 was labeled emotional sensitivity because all items involved the valuing of emotions and the susceptibility of emotion to outside influences. As for the discussion, the first 3 factors we found are consistent with previous research, but the 4th factor is new. A reason why we found 4 factors instead of the 3 that other research has identified could be because of the criteria we used when we selected the number of factors. Different criteria for determining the number of factors could ultimately lead to a different result. In addition, our findings can inform future work aimed at understanding metamood experience. For example, future research may wish to calculate TMMS factor scores based upon all 4 of these factors to provide a more detailed description of metamood. Also, our research has implications beyond the TMMS. Previous research has demonstrated the ability of the factors to predict psychosocial coping. For example, high levels of emotional attention predicts worse coping. We hypothesize that emotional sensitivity will also be related to worse coping. This is because individuals high on this factor will fall prey to their emotions and they will likely have worse responses to stressful situations. Overall, we believe that the novel factor emotional sensitivity adds to the conceptualization of the metamood construct and belongs as part of the metamood experience. It effectively adds to the self-reflective monitoring, evaluation, and change of mood, a 4th dimension of valuing and placing emphasis on mood. I will now field any questions about the presentation that you may have. Thank you.